Well, this is so exciting. You wait till you see where we are and what we're going to film. Look at this. Look at that. It's St Mary's Church, Coston, Bassett. Absolutely incredible. Look at that. So we've got permission from the person responsible. So we're going to get some footage, some video and some photos. I'm so excited. It's absolutely brilliant. Wait till you see this. There we go, St Mary's Church, Coston, Bassett, Nottinghamshire. Just been speaking to one of the people responsible for improving and keeping this absolutely amazing site. Go over here. Very, very interesting what the lady had to say. Really, honestly, really interesting. They've already spent hundreds of thousands of pounds keeping this fabulous church in some sort of order for future generations. And down here they've already planted some trees for the Golden Jubilee. You can see that where Dave's walking up there, those trees, they've been planted and they're going to be there for literally hundreds of years. Here's Dave now. We're going to get set up. So I'm all set up, got my drone down there, look. Even though I'm excited, you know, I've still done all my pre-flight checks, checked the app, make sure we're not somewhere we shouldn't be flying. We've checked the weather. We've obviously spoke to the person responsible for this area. We've decided where we're going to take off and land. We've had a good look round for wild livestock and things like that, dog walkers. So, you know, even though it's a brilliant place to fly and I'm really excited, still making sure we do all our checks and everything is going to be safe. So yeah, here we go. So one of the custodians of the church that we were speaking to said that there's a gargoyle on the church that has the gargoyles actually holding a body. So had a bit of a look from the ground. I think, pointing my finger, I think it's that one there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the drone up and see if I can get in nice and close and get an angle so we can see the actually see that gargoyle holding the body. Here we go.